Discussions have been held on a draft action plan to promote transparency and fight against corruption. The bill was designed by the Commission for Combating Corruption, a committee headed by Ramiz Mehdiyev, also the head of the presidential administration. Action plans were also adopted for 2004-2006 and 2007-2011. The third plan will enact measures to improve legislative power and prevention capabilities for corruption-related crimes. Government officials holding administrative positions will be forced to retain their appointments, said Seyat Karimov, the head of the Commission for Combating Corruption's mission group. Lawyer Mirvari Kahramanli proposed to apply a system of rotating personnel holding political positions, especially those in ministries. She also proposed to adjust the State Property Committee's Form Number 1, which is required for real estate agreements, and to put an end to the annual technical examination of cars. Several officials made speeches at the round table based on the formal reports of the bodies they represent and caused a negative reaction of Ali Husseinov, the head of the Parliamentary Committee on Legal Policy and State Construction.